mga ka-fam! Welcome back to our channel where we bring you the latest family updates from your favorite Filipino celebrities. Don't forget to hit the subscribe
So we're
button
here.
for more updates.
Where's the breadwinner?
Asan ka na, girl? Opening remarks ka na.
Merry Christmas to everyone!
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas! Thank you so much to my Puno Abala sister, Ann Perez. Thank you so much sa pagpapaganap ng black screening na ito. Thank you so much to Ann's friends. Thank you very much for coming and hope you guys enjoy the movie. If you enjoy the movie, sana pag gumawa kayo ng magagandang post. Kung hindi, just shut up. Oo, wag na kayong panira ng momentum. Seriously, thank you very much, and I'm pretty sure you'll enjoy the movie and resonate with all the characters that you will be meeting today. Maganda po talaga ito pinaghirapan namin, and papangitiin kayo, papatawanin, and tingnan natin kung may iiyak later. Hopefully, you have tissue with you para save ang mga paluha at good luck sa mga naka-makeup. Merry Christmas, guys! Thank you so much! I love you!
Much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the content and found it valuable. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more updates.